Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, got another little project. As you can see, I'm on the boat, chilling like I do every single day around here. And there's something this boat doesn't have. Now, you can't see it from here because it's on the other side of some of those boats over there, but there's another boat over there that I almost bought. It's a little more than twice what this boat cost, but nice boat, big boat, dual engines. Not trailerable, and what it does have is a nice surround that this one doesn't have, but I got some stuff on the way, so that's another project. Also, it had a really cool screen door right here. So right here it had a whole screen door that slid over. Now this one clearly does not have a screen door, and last night it was about 50 degrees was the low, and which is fine. It's still really warm in this boat. This boat holds heat really well apparently, so I had all the portholes open in the hatch, and I was still comfortable, not even cold. So I think we're gonna do good in the winter, but you know, with the bugs and everything else around here, it's like 70 degrees right now. So when I leave in the morning and I turn off everything, I come back and it's kind of warm in here. So I'm going to build a screen for this hatch area right here. And how I'm going to do that is, this is how I'm going to do it. This magnetic screen door. So I saw online or pictures someone who used this area here and did it out here. The problem is this prop rod would be in the way. So what I think I'm going to do is just do it on the inside. Then I can actually manipulate it from in here as well. But this one has the magnetic pieces here, and I think I am just going to put that in the center, and that way I can go in and out with it up. So yeah, the other thing I'm going to use, I'm also going to use this, hopefully I have enough, this roll of, I did try to find another roll, but I did not find any more today. So this roll of Velcro. So this hook and loop Velcro. I do have some more down there. I can use some thicker stuff I was planning on using for my Bimini isinglass surround project, but I could break into that and order some more. But yeah, that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to go ahead and prep this area for the screen, and hopefully I get a good image, good view for you guys to see how I'm going to do this. So yeah, let me get everything opened up, broken out of the box here. I think it's just a little screen wrapped up here, and then some of the Velcro. Get started. Hopefully that what I've done so far is clear. The top of this actually already has a piece of Velcro, so I'm gonna leave that right this piece is where it's going to attach to, and then I'm going to stick it up here, but I'm going to cut it so that it fits. But obviously this is double-sided, so this is sticky here. It's going to stick to that, and that's where it's going to be. Same here. And this is just going to be one-sided because I don't need the loop, because the hooks stick to this. But here I'm gonna have to move around a little bit, and hopefully I got enough for down there. But yeah, that's where we're at. I'll continue. Hopefully it looks good. Alright guys, well that's how it turned out. It's not perfect. I'm sure when it's on a door it's not perfect either. The Velcro probably needs to be sewn on here versus sticky, because this just peels off of the stickiness. So that's a thing. But yeah, maybe I can come here with some glue, something. But because it's a little sticky on the back of there too. But I can also just open it up, and whoa, that's an interesting opening. Let me just leave it at that. But I can probably climb in and out of that. Oh, yeah. Yeah. All right, guys. That was a simple project. Yeah. Don't use this to name my boat. It doesn't have a name yet. I think I know the name, but don't even think about it. Yeah. Hopefully it keeps the bugs out and other riffraff. Yeah, it works. It was only like $11, so pretty easy. And then some of the Velcro was pretty cheap. It did come with a little bit of Velcro that you're supposed to use for it. But yeah, I guess I'm happy with it. Yeah, it magnets back up. I was going to use some of these other magnets that are left over, but they're pretty proud of them. The way they clip in there, it's hard to get them out. So I might try to grab a mini screwdriver that may be able to get down in there, but they're in there pretty good the way they collapse in there. So I'll keep hold of that and try. But yeah, that's really what I wanted. So now I can open this up. You may be hearing the fan over here. Those portholes are open. The hatch is open. The porthole in the head is open. So I just get some air flowing through here, so I don't have to turn on the AC. When it's less than 70 degrees outside. So it does keep it pretty warm in here. But this boat stays warm, so that's good. So yeah, I'll put this back in its box. Try and save these so I can, they just push through little holes, so I can close up these little gaps right here. And then, yeah, I'll see how easy it is to enter and exit my new screen door. But that's it, guys. Hopefully you got a project that's as simple as this. It doesn't look as lewd when you're done, but yeah, is what it is. So thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.